We guide you through how to fix a Stripe payment failed. So the first thing you need to do is to check your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address are entered correctly because even a small mistake can cause the payment to fail. Next, make sure your card has enough available funds and hasn't expired. If you're using a debit or credit card, contact your bank to see if they blocked the transaction due to fraud protection or international payment restrictions. You should also try using different browser, clearing your browser cache and cookies, or switching to another device in case it's a browser-related issue. If you're using VPN, disable it and try again, since Stripe may decline payments from certain locations or suspicious IP addresses. If the problem continues, try a different payment method or card if available. And finally, log into your Stripe account or contact the business you're paying to confirm there are no issue with the payment request. If everything looks correct but the payment still fails, reach out to Stripe support for further assistance.